are officially plugged into the Overview Podcast. Overview.
From the capital, from the capital, the station is now the ultimate power in the universe, baby. Overview Radio, bring you Overview Podcast with your boy Joey. Ladies, go me Everton because I'm way too fly. And since I'm way too fast and way too charming, man, I call myself Homa sopa maraka. Be are chava wota tevarile. Chava bano nyepa. Flazer the motherfucking DJ.
What's up, my nigga? This is your boy Flazer, the motherfucking DJ, the only DJ who can fucking rap. We're back. Finally, we are back after 2 weeks. This is going to be a great episode on a Monday. Ya no kopale le doje modi officing. Ke monate ya gumpi koi. Are go murskont, go bloody shit, go rubbish. One time.
Yo, Chief Ghost.
Ke ngwana khosi sepoko sa mama Shia.
Always behind the lens.
Batho ba mahala pe dumela.
Dumela ko mama Shia dumela.
Ko direla seng dumela.
Dumela. Ko phalape
Ko phala pe dumela.
Ga te ga go ba reng ko 3 ga te de jointe.
Arba morojo da.
Morojo music.
Ha morojo.
Ke fe morojo?
Morojo ke ngwana mo chaching before. Ela heta
Ya go bo mahembe go rata go bina bo mahembe.
Esengo.
before tsana totally ha le gona le graveling ya ne go lo ga ka re wa ka bo mega ka them.
Ka re wa riana. Ka bo.
Mara spoko sa mama Shia se te le tema like that.
I
I thought ladies will call you Goku because you're way too tinted today, man.
Yeah. Super Saiyan, man. You know how it goes. Guys, yeah. Like I promised you guys, 100k views, you know, like I'm going to tint my hair, I'm going to dye my hair. And here we are, man. Thank you so much to the overviewers. 100k views, my later.
One time.
100,000
Finally.
My nigga.
YouTube only.
On YouTube. Thanks to Mogolo Arona. Retail 100k views.
Yeah.
So congrats to us.
Congrats
to us.
Shout out.
Congrats to us.
Yeah, but most importantly, man, thank you so much to the overviewers.
One time.
Thank you so much to the overviewers. As I always tell you guys, this is you know, do like right now we're just directing the ship, but the ship is just, you know, do like it's just being pedaled by you, saying, thank you so much, guys. Like it means a lot. 100,000 views, man. Chief Ghost at 100,000 subscribers, we reveal him, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
100,000 subscribers.
Yeah, so I have to make it spoko mo pepe.
So it means now it's 80,000 subscribers to go.
Yes, sir.
Road to 100,000.
Yeah.
Ransa Chief Ghost ya la re
And
mona la
then
ba
the
tsona
mash. Let's the overviewers.
Hey,
Hella.
Yeah.
I think we should do an official launch like 100,000.
Yeah, we should. Though.
We should.
Yeah, we should.
Everybody invite.
Definitely.
Nagira tattoo.
Yeah. Flazer chickened out. He said 100,000 views. He's going to go bald. Why?
Get bold.
Yeah, he is.
And beautiful.
Yeah, well, guys, hey, like Flazer mentioned, 2 weeks without us. And hey, dude, like, a whole lot has been happening, man.
Yeah, that's past 2 weeks.
Shit has been going down, man. Do like sa khone go tsena mo like mo lo one change sharp dog because hey dog menu I want menu re tlhabisa ditong. Chief Ghost.
I think I'm over that phase ya go to but no. Na kwa go iragala dog it was
So what
painful.
trades?
No, I got to like
Oh, you mean like you over
I'm over the
yeah,
feeling and
like the results.
I got to see how many trolls are out there, dog,
Hey,
against
dog.
Manchester United.
Why is it menu you keep something le overview?
Yeah.
Because why is it
The best.
Har ka trend re bolelwa 60. Menu le yone ka ha itleng go bolelwa 60 ka teng.
Dude.
Ke ka tleng re bolelwa 60 ka. But once we come back,
Yeah.
yeah,
man. Yeah, we have our sports guy in the building so that we come discuss Manchester United and do like a whole lot of things that's been happening, man. His name is none other than Boro. So
Should we really call him that?
El Shavin.
Joey.
Yeah, what's up, man, nigga?
Where my boy?
Chilling dog.
Yeah. Thank you for having me.
Yeah. No sweat, man.
Who
Nigga.
knows a line sinkile tota. Chief Ghost.
Shapuze papa.
No, you go.
Utseno mwana.
Yeah, well, guys, if you guys would observe, Lena Lebona like posted sports on Overview Radio. Yeah, like this is the editor of sports department. His name is El Shavin Boroso, aka Letlapa, aka whatever you wanna call him, man. Learning Manchester. Dude, like one thing with us is that after that game, someone posted that, hey man, the guys by Overview now.
Give my menu.
Because dude, all of us in my menu, though.
Coincidence.
Dude, coincidental. Boroso himself. Yeah, Boroso. Hey dog. Hey man, I do like that was a hey man, that defeat was just too much.
The ball I about to say.
7-0.
The ball I about to 7-0. 7-0. Kana ka Monday ke a ke tsaba go tsena le mo social media.
Okay.
Ke sa itse gore ke a go raya batho ke reng.
Hey man, the calls were just.
Ah.
Mari, I heard like hote like that's the biggest defeat that you've ever got. Kana hey man, kana in how many years?
Me as 7-1 tar.
Has 7-1
Hey.
for us.
It's not 7-1 tar for Manchester United.
You lie, dog. Like 7.
Nelo wa bo 4 se. Nelo wa bo 4 ntse re kete kwa ke batho. Re bolawa ke batho.
Yeah, take us through
Hey,
that.
for one time re jilo ke Blackburn Rovers.
Blackburn Rovers. Yeah, Beni McCarthy.
Yone ka 1926 ne le bogologolo nne.
No, no.
The other one 7 o mongwe ke
Nako
wa
tsa bo
Aston
Sarri.
Villa ka 1930 o mongwe ke 7-0 wa 1932 wa Wolves.
Wolves.
So tota Liverpool ne le go pega godimo ela mo godimo ga bo 7 ba le ba bogologolo ba le.
So like bo 7 ba tsile ba bangwe, but we still remain the best.
Bo 7 ba tsile ba bangwe mme
Like we still remain the best.
ora Manchester United.
Like Man U.
Man U is still the best.
But
Ke sa ke re lo yana o bone maabane game ya maabane ke re le tse re na le game maabane.
no man, that you mean on Thursday? I don't
Yeah,
like
on
that
Thursday.
game. Yeah, Thursday, man. I didn't.
How you
feel-
rate?
I
Kana no sa
didn't
elebela.
rate it all. I do like that's Europe at the end of it.
Europe
E le gore smoke sa Europe again.
No, get a lot of man after two pay gana. Go to like kana
Yeah.
shapa like re biditse bo Chelsea 4 ya now.
Se kana go
Compared to
jiwa
the
se
Betis.
go jiwa se molato. Ditimi di dintsi tse di jileng bontsi. Bo Barcelona bo Arsenal lone ke le a jiwa 8-2.
Yeah, ke rona.
Ke rona.
Yeah,
Ke
ke Man U.
rona.
Ke rona re ja
Hey,
8-2.
hey.
So
Re kile ra e sharp.
tota hela I think basimane ba santse ba itumeletse win ya
Carabao.
ya that plastic. I gotta buy visa ba plastic cup. Hey, the haters. Hey. The
But how
haters.
did you find the game though?
Hey, Morena. Ne re sa mmetšeng go tlhele. Tota go bua nnete a ke batlo go bua thata ka game ya teng. Ee, a ke batlo go bua hela thata ka yona. Mara hela congratulations to Liverpool. Na ba tlile mmetšeng tota.
Yeah.
Ee, na ba tlile mmetšeng. Liverpool.
Gap golene, ay mana gap kona ki pozorona ra tholla. Yeah, Bonunes, those guys, dog. Yeah,
Liverpool were amazing.
mm,
Hey. Energy ya bona mo lebaleng ne le go godimo.
too much.
Quality of play,
Yeah.
decision making,
Yeah.
desire ya go wina. Tota rona ne re tlile mo lebaleng re tlile go bona ra fixtures.
What do you think of Eric Ten
Hot
Hag?
champagne.
Ten Hag.
Hey, like
Ah.
Ten Hag is like, do you think that he's the right
bona
guy?
mokatisi se.
When you ibone mokatisi.
Menu e bona mokatisi.
Uh-huh.
No, le nna
Ga
ke
ke
a
batla go
dumela.
aketsa.
Like you agree as well.
Le nna ke a dumela.
Chief
After a
Ghost.
very long time, dog. Aish.
And by the way,
Mm.
just now, who win manager of the month?
Of the
Yeah,
month.
yeah,
Yeah.
Kanele Rashford.
Yeah, the Rashford. Yeah.
I think le ka January na ba winne gape so ba tlomaganyetsa ka 2 ba ntse ba win.
Mm.
Go sa la
Yeah,
go
well
iragala-
deserved, eh?
Go sa la go iragala ya lola bohelo mo Manchester United se Alex Ferguson a santse a le teng a na le Ronaldo. Go tia gago.
Good.
Kana ke potsane ba la ntse.
It's good. Hey,
Ke le se ke bona e raga dikopi ba ba di go le bale.
Can't go like that no go iragala mme gona like what was like they lost the game.
Ba letse ba jele 1-0 le maabane. I think goal ya teng tsene ka motsotso wa bo 80 so
Yeah.
na tenegile
I
tota
know. We
mo.
go to turn like it's very emotional.
Tota ke motho o sa rate Lucy ena go tle.
Hey, like that's the thing, you know, like he's passionate about winning.
winning.
Yeah, what else has been happening like for EPL?
The other thing ke Arsenal morena. Arsenal. We bona yang Arsenal.
Hey,
Ke
man, I
ra be
think-
honest those ka dirisa
to be honest, I think that Arsenal are outside league, dog.
Hey.
To be honest, Chief Ghost, like, what's your take? Dude, like, hey.
Okay, I wouldn't call it right now,
Hey.
given the circumstances tse ke di bonang, wa bona.
Uh.
But that doesn't take away from the fact that they're doing
Yeah, like
good
that.
for
Yeah,
them.
yeah,
Wa bona,
like
they are
that.
doing-
All right
Arsenal
now.
is just impressive this season.
Uh.
Ne ba ntse ba build ya kana ba bua gore a theta ba ga la theta.
Yeah, Tatawa.
Ole ba stop nonsense se mela yano.
Hey Arsenal morena ira di comeback season e. Kana ne le comeback ya bo 3 if not 4.
Mm.
e kopanela rona ka le rona ba irile comeback mo go rona ne go rile pele a kry ba bua go morago
I know, but like that
Nobody
game
know
was
that
rigged,
3-2.
though. I can never do like they
ene
scored offside.
banna ba
That game was rigged. So no, that game was rigged.
ene banna ba kora ka motsotso wa bohelo ela
So like, who's the most outstanding player more like Arsenal this season?
Arsenal ai
Like, is it Odegaard? Is it hey? Do you
I
like
would
that?
say Saka
Saka.
Oh, Saka, huh? Yeah.
I would say
Yeah,
Saka,
but
ai.
between the two, Odegaard and Saka.
Yeah, and Saka. What's your take on Arteta? Like, do you think that he's like, is he really capable of winning the league?
I think he's capable
Uh,
lebella hela gore Arsenal e sala e simola go tshameka bontleng season e simola even now
yeah.
o sa le gatela menwana lona batho ba di-team tse dingwe
I know, but it's
even now le mo lebaleng ela game ya weekend ha ba tshameka le Bournemouth
Yeah.
first half they had 87 possession first half just imagine
I know, Mareva ila Arsenal.
No.
It's
lo yena
gone.
hela ha ya tshameka le the last game ena ba e jewa ke Manchester City you could see gore these guys ba itse se ba se irang gore hela gore go padile gore ba win
But
What
one thing
they-
with Arsenal is that it lacks depth. Eh?
yeah just like Manchester United kana Manchester United ya jwale City kana go benching o ntsha mollo o tsenya mollo e tshwana le bae
Le Bayern Munich.
tshwana le bae mbunye o ntsha mollo o tsenya mollo ya no menu le Arsenal go thata go bench ya player imagine gona na Rashford a ka go bala go
We are gone.
Yeah.
We are gone. We are gone. Like this season.
kana
We are gone.
Casemiro
We are gone. Yeah. What else has been happening? Like, kindly take us through, like, what has been happening here.
okay this week we had Champions League fixtures tse neng di tshamekiwa ka la bobedi and la boraro
Yeah. Like
So-
last week.
this week
Or this week.
okay yone beke yone so ke tla rata gore re ska re bua thata ka yone thata because kana ke la 16 a kere a ise di ya go heletsa next week so gona gore ka bua hela ka maduo a teng a kere Benfica ne ena le Club Brugge
Club Bragg.
Club Brugge whatever mona go le mo Club Brugge a kere Benfica e wina 5-1 gora re hetela go pele ka aggregate ya 7-1 ba bona lo yena go 7 ke ba le go Champions League a se sepela
I know, but I aggregate. I get a point.
Go
Eh,
ira
when
nga.
I'm ngwana e ke boneng ya Arsenal ya like Arsenal e betsa gatiki ba ene betsa Arsenal kana ke 10-0 5 first leg 5
Wa
second
bona.
leg
Dilo tse di a iragala tse gore hela gore menu ke menu yone hela a e jewa ntate go tsoga modumo
yeah.
go tsoga modumo
Ba sa gore ke team e to.
Yeah.
the other game in ya Chelsea e tshameka le Borussia Dortmund e bogale Chelsea e rera go Champions League wa
But
ya
yeah.
e bogale rera team ya ga Porta go Champions League gora re win 2-1 ka aggregate gora re hetela go pele go di quarter finaleng game e nngwe e neng e le monate thata ga gare ga beke ka la boraro Bayern Munich versus PSG
Yeah.
team ya ga Messi
Messi is the problem.
padile
man.
gape
Messi is the problem.
Kana wa
No, I get like if it's Ronaldo, wherever Ronaldo is the problem. Hey, so like since Ronaldo, like you are team Ronaldo, Messi is the problem. Marmela, you know, like the funny thing is that Negibana like the defenders are Messi, but like they're hoping that Mbappe will do the magic. You know, like it's because the PSG is like is not functional. Like it's like the trio, like the original trio.
ha Neymar seo
Neymar shows
wow,
none of
wow,
them
wow.
are CEO, like for call. But like, what's your take on Messi's season go France though?
so far kana go tsogile medumo go France ba bangwe ba supa gore ga ba mmate ba re ba supa gore Messi ha le go Argentina o ntsa ga tshwenya
Yeah, like I'll go PSG.
ha le go PSG ba re this guy tota nna re tsore ha le mo PSG wa ba ireng
tota mme o ka re go ntsalo ka di-player
Ee.
lebelela bo Pogba gore nako ana le ko Man U ka re ha perform mme
Ha
ile
tsena
go
ko-
go France kwa na gore na performa
Ha tsena
ya
ko-
so I don't know a ke tsore a ke kganya gore internationally ba performa very very good but ha go di-club ntle re expecta gore ba perform ya ka ko di-international mme o ka re ga ba ntshe
Yeah, Pogba,
mo ka
Hey, yeah.
So I give you mathata
I
ke
think
sharp.
le di-player tse di around you di a mattera thata
Yeah.
go France I don't think those guys ba tshameka around Messi
Hey, because go for Argentina, do like you can tell like
they know
all
gore
those players like they are playing for Messi.
they know gore Messi o capable of what
Yeah,
so
definitely.
go France wa ka ya re Mbappe o ka ira dio tseo
No, how I don't want to
That boy go mollo.
Go tinyana. Yeah, I also hear that hati ke mang Hakimi do like I see like there was some news around Hakimi.
Yeah,
Hati achieve Hakimi. Can
Yeah.
you do like what's up with football players with this rape allegations?
no, I think
No, see one
football players.
everywhere. No, like for real, these guys that have so much money, okay, put out why from artists, from ministers, from footballers, you know, these guys
Ministers?
Hey,
Boma.
no, it's international. How no go send okay, put out come on,
Why implicator?
o kana o ba tor ke di matete ka lo ha re sa trend ha tse ge sentle
Yeah, but so
le
you
kwa no ra wa ke wa itse gona kana
Ba teng ra ba ba jala mo diphakillo teng.
bo panini. Panini.
Ra ba itse.
development
Panini.
so na ke tsora kana ke go nna le madi a mantsi a itse go ka irang ka one kana eng I don't know but anyway yeah
Tota ela yone case ya ga Hakimi tota go lebega ile gore na ise a chargiwe ke di allegation ela wa investigate that's one mona tsena
Ya tshameka malo.
PSG ya ina ya ntsha mokwalo go isupe gore tota yone ya mo support gape e trusta nnyane ya France gore ba tla ira di investigation ha ile gore o bona phoso ke gona ba tla tsaya action.
What's the status on still on that? What is the status on Benjamin Mendy and Mason Greenwood?
Oh kana gona le Benjamin Mendy basimane ba le bone baba ba ja mele
Melera.
guy ne ba
Body count.
Greenwood kana di chance tsa go di dropilwe ene so
sa lo jwa go to wetse mabaleng training go rile o kae
na ha isa wele le baleng da ela maemeng yu le mo go yona ba ipotsara ba musetse go le baleng kana ba ire yang
Yeah.
tota go jena ga isa buise pela mo publicing ka Greenwood
ka Greenwood
Ka Greenwood.
so nna hela ke na le believe ya gore go maybe go mo santsa a dumela mo go ene because ke dumela gore ha ne ile gore ga mmatla
nka ba
ke ba sa
sa
bolo bua molela gore nya tse mo go itsingela team mo rena mara hela menu e supile hela gore eta ira di
Investigation
eta ira di
due diligence.
investigation e be ira le di ga te go tla go tswa basadi ga go tswa basadi gore re busetse Greenwood mo team.
Yeah, but let us round it up quickly. Locally, like I understand what Jack DC, what township rollers, investor is pulling out stuff like that. Julon is complaining that the referee, you know, how the referee, they are Ricky, I don't know.
Kana ga o jwa mo bolong na o complain ela ju bolong ha o jwela o na o complain but a kitse mara re tsena mo go yona ya township rollers
Like,
Jack
yeah, like
DC
what's happening there?
go lebega ile gore the finance Jack DC
Yeah.
o tsentse resignation a re ka di killing end of March
Uh,
o kopa gore ba kgaogana le team
smoke.
no ga ba bui ba santse ba e loba for now na ba supile gore ba tla nna le meeting ka di 18 tsa ga March ke eng next week a kere so I think from there ke gona re ka itseng gore mathata ke eng
Yeah.
so gona na re batle go ba akanyetsa gore go iragala eng gore monno ka tswa a sa itumella eng.
Yeah, so I believe that you should do a follow-up on that. Like,
Yeah,
try as much
yeah,
to talk to Jack D so that next week re tla re utlwa gore what's going on.
Sure.
Township rollers law, like, I understand that something is going on there. No, not township rollers. Extension gunners. Mo goba.
Extension kana se ra bana le dikoloto go supagala ga ba kolota the player desire ba fana wa moitsi wa defender ba mo kolota madi a kana ka 400k
Yeah.
ya no bo ipotse gore mo Botswana tota mo Botswana gona madi se bola Botswana gona madi ke mathata ke mathata hela tota gate ba mo duele before ba ka signa di player ora ra ile ra ise ba mo duele transfer window e bulo
Ha ba
ha ba
sai.
sai
Damn.
until ba mo duela ya no ipotse gore ba go mo tsaka ya 400k
yes it's too much
It's too much. Yeah, well, Boro, so thank you so much, man, nigga. I believe that you'll be back next week, right?
ke
You're
tebe
like-
ke le teng ke
Hey,
tebe ke le
yeah,
teng maniga
Should we have him back
One
next
time.
week? Should we have
Can I
him back
already-
next week?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Overviewers,
All
yeah.
the time.
Yeah, so
not all the time
you know, yeah, please, like, yeah, say your last thing to the people, man. Like, yeah, closing of this sports.
Hey, thank you
segment.
for having me, my niggas. Hey, podcast ya batho le diphologolo.
Let's go where was a team or post.
Podcast ya batho le diphologolo le dipoko.
Yeah, like on the social square, and I'm like, yeah, where can they catch you?
Okay, my social handles, more Facebook video ya la gote El Shavin.
Yeah, El Shavi.
On Twitter is L_Shavin. Mo Instagram ke El Shavin ya la tshwaragane.
Yeah. Otherwise, like they can catch like the updates on your profiles and the overview with your page. Right? Yeah. Yeah, well, yeah. Thank you so much, Boro. So, yeah, man. Yeah.
Kuzara wa izur lina le gore le nete go iragetse.
Dude, like, tell us about
that.
that.
Na go ngole na 100K views.
It's very man.
Yeah, definitely, Baji.
Nazo Zaboro Zaga Tumbut.
Tumutura ba le.
Tumutura man.
Tumutura.
Like they
Surprisingly. If like surprisingly let's another from what the Tumbutu was gela.
Mpule? Dikan. Dikan. No. Guess what? I gotta both of you guys, huh?
Yeah.
Boros and she goes to a classmates at school.
Oh.
For real, though.
What is the Muslim Oscar Mona?
Yeah, well, yeah, guys, yeah, going on. Now, what do you think of Tongbo to dog? Like since you brought her up.
No, I love her. I love him.
Whatever is going on there.
Whatever's going on.
When you secure the teaser, right? That's all I'm manning.
I get that one.
What that?
What that? Chava, what that?
But no,
Yeah, you were saying
whatever Sasi dirang, I just love it. You know, sometimes people can just hate you for you being you. You know what I mean? Koswana le kanya, that guy wa famara. Oh, ringwa pela.
Yeah.
Yagamodis. People are just hating on him. We the video, we post and then people start hating or content. Same applies to any tongue boat or we jelaboro saga or pinella, but not just Nagamorata blind. One to say,
Yeah.
nothing wrong about him or her.
Yeah, anyway, guys, yeah, this past Wednesday. This past Wednesday it was the International Women's Day or month day, ne? Yeah,
Day.
International Women's Day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want you to tell me, my nigga, more bots like who's that woman? Would you like you'd say that besides Baba eating personally, obviously your girlfriends, your mom, the exes, the sister, this and that. Who's that woman that should say like she's your most favorite? Like you eat her, like in board. Lolo.
Fuck that.
Who's that?
Hi, Sadi.
The Haka.
Hi, Kagiso.
Big ups. Sadi le Kagiso.
Yes.
Chief Ghost.
Nalaba kampetela kana mathata. I cannot bula case.
At all.
Hey, there's a lot on my catalog. Yeah, but they are doing good for themselves.
Like.
There's Gaona, Dintwe.
Oh yeah. Hey, dude. Yeah.
Can I get bait or tie? Realize.
Yeah, what I can be. Yeah, who else?
Who else is there? There's this girl called, I don't know if you guys know her, called Mboko.
What load?
Hey, what gloat?
Yeah.
I honestly like women who do.
Hey man, I gotta know Rata Mazambia.
I tell you no gar Mozambique. I do well at that day.
Yeah, but like,
Oh, weird. Oh.
Those would be my highlight. Gaona and
Boko.
And Boko, yeah.
Yeah, but like, did you guys see that the time that Mrs. Uyapwen died, he gifted him with 41,000
Aish, man.
bucks or like
Yeah,
40K?
no, yeah.
Dude, like you saw that?
Yeah, no, I did. Sometime back, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I saw. I saw
Dude,
it.
like this, I think it was in January.
Yeah.
Dude, like, not for me, I would say that she's the, like this year, like so far, like she's been the biggest highlight for me, dog. You know? Like that incident, dude, like gifting your man with. Haragane bonne se ba tsela banna dilo.
Bololo ba rakela mo sai.
We'll see.
Batong kisingile bata nurse. Nurse, where are you, doctor?
No, but remember, guys, like, have you guys realized how, as much as go thola gote basadi ba bonne se ba rile, have you realized that you would hardly find mosadi wa nne se mo di scandal nyana tsa bo gore wa itekisa stuff like that?
No,
You know why? Because like ba iperekela ba amogela, and you know how tshwara madi. There's kore ha kwa nna mo discandaleng tse di fane gote he re mo itletsa a nwa banna he re mo itletsa go tla bonga tlhomola pelo kana you know na sna madi go rile because wa amogela you can afford to sustain yourself o khona go ithekela o khona go ikapesa o khona go itshella o khona go wa bona a lot of things nyana hale le hale and ke feel or cherry tota to be honest na ke feel or di tsa go temba tsela bana di loan ba rekela majita di koloi di tlhako and it's from love wa bona ha rata motho wa morata same applies to ene mosadi wa ga ya pa bona o rata monna ga go ke monna go ke motho eleng gore o na le bana le ene na feel gore it's out of love ke ha monna me madi he's been there for me le bana ba me since way back why not give wa bona so same applies to you ne khanyala intseng yalo ha o rata motho well lo ene ke tsa re that there can be so many girls around you but me there's always going to be one this is the right woman for me la nka spenda ka sala ke sna thebe as long as a tlhapile a le sekono I'm good.
So, like, are you saying that fro one neseke bay?
Definitely. Cherry on top.
Cherry on top.
Cherry on top.
Chief Ghost.
Cheruan Neseke Bay.
Tota nice in cherry on nes.
Do like, yeah.
Cherry oh well off.
Yeah, I got what the review can nes. Come on, nes.
Eh, come on nes.
Cherry one neseke bay. Ke bay. So like
that.
that.
Penicillin ka.
Penicillin.
Eh ka ke go tlhatswe. Chief goes swearing.
No, I babon nese mona. No, go ta twenje. Kana go ra ho berekela gore mentela dio di nna motho for you. There's a whole lot of accessibility along rona le one to banks to do nyana, so you are bound to be there at the end of the day because come on, we're recent.
Yeah, well, guys, like in who commemorate this, like the past Women's Day. I want us to talk about women heladamo marrounding where babana mo Botswana and babachwang either from Botswana but banna outside and all that, you know. Like let's talk about them, commend them, yada yada. I remember in 2020 ngile ka ira a list top 10 most followed women on BW social media, you know. Top 10. Yeah. This was 2020, guys. Please don't come here and kill us. Bumang. Guess what? Ke mana le mo teng dog. Guess what? Ke mana le mo teng dog.
Ke manton.
Guess what?
Ma o se ke le rile Megano. Kene musirela o re mo Pablo Escobar. Like Pablo Cisco.
El Chapo.
Whitney Houston.
Yeah. And Bobby Brown. Bobby Brown and Leroy.
We back, motherfucker.
We back, baby.
So now this, since the list 2020, I'm going to say it like without no particular order. You know, we had Kelebogile Megano up in there. Influencer, right? Like she's an influencer. Like she's also a DJ, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, and you say, and you always emphasize that out of 10, like you'd give her a 12 out of 10.
Yeah, she fine. She could get it in time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smash, marry, or kill.
Smash and kill.
Yeah, man. Yeah, in 2020, like she had 131,000 followers, you know, and it made her one of the youngest, most followed women
In
if
BW.
not the youngest. Yeah.
Yeah.
In BW. Yeah.
That's numbers, eh?
If
You don't
not the
lie.
youngest.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah, imagine how 2023 tamaha ka yona.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
do, like,
no,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, and this is Facebook and Instagram combined.
Oh,
I
yeah.
get now like this with TikTok, yeah.
Yeah.
So like obviously like they've
There's
gone through the roof and all
Yeah.
that. Yeah, but I for one do like I just love her brand, dog. Dude, like
Yeah.
I think that she has a very good looking and lucrative brand.
yeah, happy gore ke feel gore kana gore these guys don't, you know, they don't attack ha ba setse ba na le chance wa bana
Yeah.
gore ke feel gore I don't know if it's BW or gongwe manager a batla go blowa ya ka motho a mo manager ka di manager tsa kwano tsa morao
di manager
di
tsa-
batla go blowa ya ka motho
Hey.
mo manager let me say gong ke manager jo ke le flays ke
Bo
a batla go
nota.
blowa ya ka wena
Hey, bo
ya ka
nota, like
bo
they wanna
nota,
nota
yeah.
you.
They wanna nota you. So I give you gore no Joy wa betsa go ha ke manager a go let me take advantage santse a tlhodia yana tsiste modung ta ke tse di endorsement deals, you know, shit like that ke riana ka bona gore ha go didimana at least they were cash it wa bona ya ka go South Africa re itse gore artist ere pa o tla bona di endorsement deal, you know,
Yeah.
the Benzi o la tlhela kwa sing shit like that wa bona ka bona ko kana ko hey ya no kwano dog I don't know
No, dude, like I actually love that point that you're raising there because can't do like we like got like the creative. Got like the creatives, like they just like proper management.
Yeah,
like,
facts,
you know,
yeah,
You know, it's
true.
either like one manager along the way, like they want to compete with you.
bobe na yana
Kobo-
kobo ga korobe ka ta kobo te ga to wede mo
No, but I thought you and Ben were cool, dog. They were like, what happened?
na it's
Eh?
I don't know.
What
Enough.
happened, dog? My remainder, like, was she, like, is she, because I understand that the manager ATI, like, is she a good artist
No.
or creative manager? I go on, like, you've been in the game for a while, like, you'd obviously
I
know.
see more like that. That guy's a star. No, but I feel like ATI now. Current is or ATI. No, every promoter was complaining about ATI. He never shows up, performs one song, and then he goes. You know, but ever since Benata, we can see a lot of change from Brand about ATI.
One thing that I hate about Flaze is that he always wants to sound right in front of the camera.
Isn't that no can I give a proper?
That's
not going to get potolo.
That's not your actual thoughts, dog. Tell us your actual thoughts.
But enough about her. You know, let's carry on, man, nigga.
Yeah, and then yeah, and then on the list you have Charity Bait. Like you know Charity Bait?
Nah.
You don't know her. She goes like, do you know Charity Bait?
Yeah, I know Charity Bar eats it through social media.
Yeah, social media.
Hey, she
Mira.
was.
I don't
I
like
think
she's
she was
a,
married to some rich nigga.
yeah, Shadrach Bait.
Hey,
Hey, like he's a pastor and dude, like one of the richest dudes, like the entrepreneurs around and all. that.
yeah, well, yeah, that's what they say.
You know.
Hey.
Yeah, well, Charity Bait, businesswoman / pastor's wife. Ibile Maloba I saw. Yeah, that one. Maloba I saw a tweet abu agore husband a gagwe a tlogele bojalo.
So the husband doesn't drink.
Obviously, like it is a
Yana
pastor.
gore kanta mapela go mpolela ha o le past ha wa tshwanna go nwa go thelele ha o le past ke tsamaiso go ntsalo ha wa tshwanna go nwa ha wa tshwanna go ira se go santse gore eh
But for me, I've realized that it
nna
depends.
bona ke rata pastor beginning yana e no ta go ha le go kola modumo gore la re mare nna ke le pastor ke a bosetle
Exactly, because like the Bible even lo ne ya renya a re no mbojalo. I go re more na jeso na change wine into ga ke meets into wine.
Eh.
So bojalo. But I think that go tsama ka preference like other pastors. Bangwe like ba dumela gore bojalo
It's
not
bad.
it. It's bad, so like they shouldn't touch it at all. You know.
but
I
you
go-
get my point
No,
gore
I
na
get your
ka
point. I get ma gatele le mamphizile no na re ka go ska ona bojalo ane mo.
ga bosetle kg
You know, so yeah, Charity Ba, it's like 2020, like she had 170,000 followers on Instagram only. So like a normal Insta hella boy.
Oh,
I'll
yeah.
go Insta hella. She's a fashionista dog. Like she has like a business, yeah, like a fashion business. Do like what about Kuni Ferguson?
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah,
That's nice.
like those type of women.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
Onka pese.
Those are the women that you should follow. And I say,
Kidi,
yo. Well, my
Kidi wa
darling.
yarna FM.
No, come on.
Eh, orawe.
Yo ke kedi a ke re ne mo.
Hey, you're like, oh, you kid you. Lezozo. Dude, I love Lezozo, dog. Like, what are you saying? You know. Yeah, and then, man, yeah, dude, like, we have Kagiso Sento up in there, man.
Bay.
Dude, digital entrepreneur, influencer / DJ. Can't tell like what happened to your DJ career?
I don't know.
Mm.
Mampizu Moreza Raska DJ.
Dude, but I think that she would have made like do like an
Yeah.
incredible DJ. Huh?
Yeah, tat.
Do like for her brand.
Gape ke lebile
her
gape
style
gore
and stuff.
I don't know sena machira ba ya DJ yang, so she could have been, you know, somewhere there.
Yeah.
One of those DJ women ba ileng gore ba phatola ba.
Uh.
Yeah, true. Yeah. So now I don't know what happened.
Yeah.
Who did he meet there?
Yeah, dude, but dude, like
Eh,
no, listen, no, dude, like we've been talking a lot lately, like me and Kagiso.
omoro ka re ha itle mon.
Okay, yeah, no.
Yeah.
I'll do that. You know, yeah, Kagiso Sento, digital entrepreneur, influencer, DJ. She had 190,000 followers then. You know, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook combined. Do you think that the tagline or like she was V's wife, like do you think that it worked for her? Like, do you think that she would have been this brand?
Obviously, it worked for her. I'm not gonna lie. It worked for her so much. If kore go swana hela la ka mosadi o ntsong mo wena re ke na charity.
By it.
Eh. Ke tsara a lot of people ba mo itsile gape le ka monna. Ha o tsa batho ba tshwana le bone bo V. Obviously we know Kagiso ka V. Ha o tsa batho ba tshwana le bo Keste, we know Veronica ka Keste. So ke tsara you get my point gore
Yeah, I get
so
you.
obviously a lot of people ba go hella ba itse mosadi wa gago
Yeah.
because of you. Ba batla go itse gore ka ntere reo mosadi wa go ke mang o irang. They
So,
investigate.
is it safe to say that because we had Lala here the other time abua gore tota ela ene
re itse la ka BJ?
ka BJB but aba gana re tota ene she wouldn't say BJB made her.
Me a lantsa itse gore deep down ke BJB.
So like is it safe to say V made Kagiso?
Yeah. To a certain level, and then how tsong ho kwena no we thagathagela ba ntshwara ke raya.
Chief Ghost, like is it safe to say that V Mampisi made Kagiso Sen?
Yeah, it's safe. Come on. V was the husband to KG, dog. So
Yeah.
the brand like Flaze is saying they'll always be associated. Wabon.
Yeah, with V Mampisi.
Hey, like it goes unquestioned. Like Kagiso is who she is because of
O le na gona nang ka go
V Mampisi.
So whoever V Mampisi marries, as long as as long as she's good looking, should obviously blow up.
la ka nna maswe.
Yeah, not necessarily though, but it depends bo wena gore about the bloke and
Oh yeah, like the character.
like puts on able to freeze on puts on Kagiso should have pursued her DJ career. Now I'm against it. Kagiso should have been just a wife and the mother
Just a
just a wife
And the mother
and
too.
the mother to the kids Tsara V. Already your husband is in the spotlight.
Yeah,
So otoka
yeah.
otoka balance.
Yeah.
Ga to ke motho o competent le
Lane, yeah?
spotlight ke sa ga man.
Yeah, I get it.
He just needs to come home to a wife.
do like
Not an
exactly.
influencer, not a
Same household.
The mother.
Hey.
Because like eventually you have another competition.
exactly.
You know, I mean, like DJs in Clemera Bong.
Exactly. Kagiso is beautiful. She's a trophy wife.
Yeah.
Obviously, Chief Goals is gonna wanna look, touch, maybe speak to.
Yeah.
Given the chance.
Yeah.
Hey, but we get the public eye. Chief Goals will never get that chance
At all.
at all.
Yeah.
Unless you hit the DM.
How would I know of the DM? Get some weeds.
Yeah, man. On the list, we have Gaona Dintwe.
Oh my baby.
Dude, like, is she? Wait. Like, is she Dintwe gonna class? Oh, like, we're still classan. I think it's Dintwe though.
Yeah, I think Dintwe.
Yeah, how Dintwe. She's a media personality. Do you think that the tagline, yeah, being a divorcee, it somehow depreciates a woman in a way? I mean, guys, dude, like this was International Women's Day, so like let us talk about women, Renefe and Frank. Okay?
Plus, I think
Yeah.
they are also given the month International Women's Month.
Exactly, yeah. So do you think that if a woman is a divorcee, that tagline, allow her she's a divorcee, does it depreciate her value in a way? Like if when a girl, she's divorced, kind of woman, do you wanna value her way diminishes in a way? Be honest though.
I'm going to be honest.
He wants to sound right.
Not for me. I feel like I don't have a problem with it. How divorcee it. As long as nakizore one tata ke a go rata, I'm down. Whether o divorce it, matata ke ha o ka nna go divorce gantsi. Ho ke gona ke feeling gore why so many times? What are you doing which is wrong? But I don't divorce once. I don't have a problem. Ke ra gore ke dio tse leng gore ke tsa botshelo di a kgona go dira. Like we've been talking my last time ka Max le mosadi wa gagwe. My Max. A divorce gore re hela re bua in general hela ka kanza divorce gore o gona go ithalela gore batho ba nyalane for the wrong reasons. Ba bona bone ba feel arrest for the right reasons. Ba tsene mo lenyalo le gore probably ne ba sa buisana ba sa nna hatse ba buisana ile motho le monna gagwe kana motho le mosadi wa gagwe a bona and right so go tswana le relationship we can break up re feel ra ratana go mona to are trying to build something and then on the way and then we break up same applies to a wedding re gona go nyalana and then on the way be re feel gore you know what it's not working let's just divorce be divorce and then go tswang ho botshela botshelo ba gago so nna ke feel gore ha ke kopane le motho ba ntara please kana nkile ka nyalwa e be ke divorce but ne ke sa ikakanya ne ke santse ke le ngwana o ne ke tsene ke itumetse ke excited but this time around ke batla ha ke nyalano e be ke itse gore ke nyalla for the right reasons re nne ha se re bue shit like that wa gona bona gore motho o itutile seng wa bona.
What about kids, dog? Like a woman with kids.
Ha ke bate mosedi ona le bana ba le 3 go go bate
Mare ema pelo wa re 3 go go godimo.
Yeah, ke bate.
So like 2 is fine. Huh?
Hey, to take about like one. It's
One is fine.
One is fine.
Chief Ghost.
I can never tolerate a girl when I'm Lebana though.
So like to you, Mosadi Hana Lebana, like it somehow depreciates her value.
Yeah.
Gape nna ke batho na le ngwana o monyenyane e seng boy ya go ta apa o papa mo.
What about divorce? Like what's your, like do you feel like Mosadi like a divorced woman divorce it depreciate her value?
Well, to a certain degree it does.
Yeah, it does.
To a certain degree it does, but again to a certain degree, yeah, more uplift kind of because basadi ke batho ba ileng gore ithala ba re claimela gore ke batho ba nang le kutlwano mmogo e leng gore ya iragala because ha mosadi a go through such things we tla le bona ba ileng gore ba buelana no this and this but yeah, to answer your question, I think to a certain degree go dira valonyana just a little.
Like just a little.
Just a little, because it brings a question to you. Tota go padile ha kae? Wa bona. It's gore nna ke motsale nna go ta pala or something.
Yeah.
You get
that. But you remember that the other time we had Chengeta here, he said with men is totally different. Gore monna ha divorce basadi ano ba mata monna thing because like this guy
no true because they know what in most cases basadi ke bona the fuck up where like the situation is when it's
is that so?
Yeah.
What? Is that so?
No true. Lebella statistically majita ba long gore they've been divorced ala o motso orange smoke king o tla go balala gore a gona mosadi. I'm sure Max Lane.
O mongwe a jalo mo dipeki.
Or a lot like if we can ask like the divorced guys that we know. I mean, Chengeta obviously like he said the child is not his.
See,
DNA.
it's still there. Still falls to the woman. Wabona.
Hey, so like if we go ask like Timmy, like would he likely say the same thing?
Exactly.
Vima
Obvious.
stuff like that.
If you go ask Vima and Bizu, like about Farouk. I don't know where Farouk came, but like he would say Farouk.
Who the hell is Maru?
Still on this, dog. Like this takes me to an issue that happened recently, of that doctor guy. Someone's phone is ringing and like it's fucking up with my signal. Like
I think he needs to put it away. Like it's
Like you be more silent.
like is it the one? Yeah, like that guy, like the doctor guy, like who killed the children. Apparently, and like from what we've seen on the socials,
Yeah.
you know, it resonates to what Chief Ghost is saying, that Basadi are fucking up, because from what we've seen on the socials, Mosadi was cheating on the man.
Yeah.
From the friends, someone like what we see. I get it, we don't know both sides of the story. Hey, so like, what's your take? Could you like, now I think that no matter what a woman does to you, dog, do like you cannot just kill the kids, dog.
Bana ba eleng gore le itse ga bana la ile mollata ba itse la ile sebe ke la ba le ikgolegileng le ba tsitse mo lahatseng. So o kentelang bana do ko ba gola o bolelang bana ba eleng gore
how did he kill the kids? Ke sa go tsena gano.
Batho ba kentile gore ke ka poison or something o ba kentile because ke doctor so gore re ile tsone dio tsa bo doctor o ba kentile and then bana ba tloka.
Yeah, I get you.
Yeah, so ile a tso ho le na ba ipola gore eno ipola ile yang I don't know
No, but like apparently, like he hanged himself.
but me gate ka bana eno ba kentile gore ka eng we don't know gore but me ke tsone dio tsa di poison.
No, dude, like
Baba
you obviously
ikgethile.
don't know like the police reports. I get like ribua ka what we see.
Gape ke dio tse le
Like
gore
on the
there's still
socials.
on investigations, so we don't know ha ise re bolelle se gore go iragetse re utlwa hela ka batho ba close by gore no ga to go kentilwe bana ba kentilwe ba ipola ba bana. So but come on dog, you can't do that. Tota mela all in general basadi ba kopolo tse thipa magents ba shenne meno like ke bone ba nna ya mo di relationship.
Hey, dude, like things have changed. Things have changed, dog.
No, basadi ba kopolo tse thipa. Imagine hey, just last week on Thursday. Yeah, on Thursday. Ronald D dule mo The Voice. I think it's The Voice. Yeah, I think it's The Voice. Go bua gore monna go Francis Town. O ithetse mosadi wa gagwe. Monna mogolo, o ithetse mosadi wa gagwe. Montu a le busy le monna o mongwe.
Phalape.
A ba go tsaya katakata ena
Zaini.
ba thubantu, a ba tsaya mabapi le di-TV a tsadiwa.
Ano ke phalape.
Ke phalape.
Zaini.
A ba tsaya dilo tsa gagwe ba go inela kwa tlatleng ya mapodisi ba mo seng. A re borra ke thubile ntwe ke none ke ya ka madi a dikgomo. So let's kala batla go ha ke a sia ke korame nchekeng kwame mosadi wa ha ke a mmola ha ke a mo betsa ke a mo ira sebe ke thubile ntwe be ke tsa ditsame ke a go nna kwa lapeng wa bona. So it goes back to khanyeki ba gore basadi ba kopoletse thipa magents thipa. I don't mean gore thipa as like a knife ke ra gore ba di 10 ne malita ke bone ba nna ya.
Hey, dude, like the tables have turned, dog.
Yeah, I don't know why
the tables
what's
have
wrong
turned,
with
dog.
Ragalang, but hey
And
magents
Happy could do like the thing is that
we're now happy.
we have always known women to be angels. Because like that is how we are raised as men.
Wana
Or
motho
you
na
know
re-
what? No,
mosadi
listen.
ba tau botsitsi.
No, true.
Nasa.
But true. Because like as boy children. Because like
Yeah.
my child can like you know what? Like a woman is such a precious thing that you get it. So like to her that hella a woman is an angel.
Yeah.
You get it.
Facts.
So like how whole and then you reach a certain stage in or basadi ba radio selling or diro ake banna. Dude, like it becomes so weird, dog. I don't know if you get me.
Yeah, no. Ke a tlhaloganya leta.
Yeah, you were saying
basadi
eh
ba cheata ka rona.
What do you mean?
A kere mosadi a ba sa thubilelwa pa sa cheat ka motho a ba cheata ka monna o mongwe. So it has to be equal. Le rona re na le impact sejeng basadi ba batho ba bangwe.
no true.
So
I agree.
it's unfair gore be re basadi ba kopolotse dithipa. Le rona generation e gona le banna ba ileng gore they don't respect lenyalo. Ha o wena o bona mosadi o nyetseng o botswa pelo o ntshwa pelo ke eng?
I gotta get type.
But
nya ke type kore I'm on ya blame
No,
wa
yeah,
bona?
tlhaloga.
but
Hey.
at what degree does morality guys add? For instance, do we only avoid married women only? Kana if kore ha ke itse gore Freya chief ghost since a sa nyalwa, I'm
Hey.
just going to make her whatsoever.
Yeah, but look at where kana kore basadi o ka re ba kopolotse thipe because that's all take it from years back. Basadi used to be denied of education, they used to be denied of certain positions, they used to be denied of reading. Eh,
Ba
hey.
gonana, eh.
No, kore ke ra gore it's something se saleng se build up from the roots. Wa bona? Kore hela ya no gonana go
Always.
ke setsuatsu wa bona. Ke Freddy. Go senyegile mo eleng gore ha go monitorege because ke go mo eleng gore go sa le go tswa ko ta sentse go ta ba batla go improve ya no gore go improve ga teng go hela ile gore ya no e nna e ka re ke banna but again we still have an impact mo teng ha ne le re basadi ke bona ba irang diotse kore le mosadi a lose lenyalo because we irile sengwe le mosadi.
Hey, dude, like what I'm getting, what Flazer is saying is that, either way, like what Flazer is saying is that, before, Mosadi intse le motho ileng gore o
na beletswa mo ntung a ba didima
kantano kano kanta motho go Mosadi ke motho ileng gore o ntse a ikgabetsa, you get it?
Yeah.
A sa iri whatever that most of women are. I mean, right now, re bona dio tsa bo lo
Yeah.
go itekiswa go UK stuff
No,
like
true.
that. The other time, Agatha Nantare, these things they've been going on for a while.
Yeah.
It's only that bogolo no go
No, we
ikgabetsa.
ikgabetsa.
You get it?
Yeah.
It's not like those like Nedisa existed,
Ne di
but
exist. Eh,
there was
no
like
gona le phitlhego.
exactly.
Wa
But
bona.
now ya ka Flazer a bua. Basadi ba kopolotse cha.
Kore yanong
Like
they don't
that,
give a
just out
shit
there.
now.
And now do like I blame it on social media.
Yeah, no, it has so much impact now because everyone feels like they can voice out. Wabon, no, we can't be stopped. We have to do whatever we want. We can wear whatever we want. We can say whatever we want. Wabon, so kore ke yone kgang ya gore re kopolotse chakano are coming for after for everything that we want. Wabon, so ha gona khabetso. Ha gona khabetso ka re ka bala ka tsaba ha bati.
nya
Gone,
gone
like you wanted to say, hey,
gone I get you guys' perspective but again a re ska ra re 80% ke ra mo issue nye re buang e women 20% the men ba ileng gore le bone don't respect manyalo a batho because kana kgathego ke kgathego you get my point.
Bopanilo.
Kore ke ra- I don't know if you I don't know if you get where I'm kore ga ke re all I'm trying to say ke gore at the end of the day men le bone gona le a certain percentage that they have to be blamed for is
no
ka
doubt,
nna e
tlhaloganyo.
ka re 100% basadi ba ntsana gone because it's something we're not used to go a shoka wa bona but hela le rona gona le impact e re e tsenyang mo teng.
No,
That's
but
what I
listen,
think.
I believe that I get what he's saying, Wabon, but I feel like he doesn't want. He's taking away part of the. He's taking part of the blame away from women. Ha batle basadi ba own that fully. O batla gore le rona re nne involved. But the thing is that
By the 10.
when it's men doing that, banna ba le nosi ba take a blame.
Yeah.
You know, hanke gote no, but at the same time, basadi are
Basadi.
Kana nna ke ho
you get it.
a go te men are trash with women
With women,
Hey.
you get it. Like it's always men are trash, and
because
and,
the trash they are speaking about ba ra rira mo machering kana
Mama Cherry.
Hey.
And like yeah, exactly. So one thing that I've noticed is that re tshaba go neela basadi blame. Blame hela 100% or no, this has happened because of you, woman. And then or no, I did this because I did this because your dick game is not too good.
Yeah.
I did this because of you don't have mine.
Yeah.
You get it. But if
Haona
it's
koloi.
yeah, how na koloi. You get it? Jaga Flazer sina koloi.
Banara hoka le keste banara tletso hoka. So go mpolele.
Yeah.
Mosadi ha nyetso a le montle, a nyetso a le montle. A ba go approach le joy ya. A go ra kana nna ga tswala ka wena. O ire.
Huh? No, to be honest, guys, like let us just
be honest.
no, like I'm obviously going to be tempted. Obviously. No,
To
like
do what?
obviously, huh?
To do what?
Obviously. No, like dude, like let us be honest, guys. Like this is a podcast that
Wow,
is on the day.
Kana ria.
How could you know tell a hi, how are you? What is the shop? Oh, come on. Grown ups, man. Yeah.
Yeah, but anyway, guys, there's something to be why is it that Haribu Akaha now knows the issues that you buy?
No, because she has that aura, Aban. She has
Yeah.
that aura of
Oh,
just.
nigga, man.
I didn't.
Hey,
Yeah.
She has that aura of bringing up a lot of things
Yeah,
around
nah.
her because I forgot the term, but like
Endo.
she's Endro. Yeah, she's an advocate of that thing.
Yeah,
and,
Endo.
I saw her post today. Yeah,
yellow, yeah.
She's what. There's just a lot.
Endotromis.
I forgot the term. Don't implicate yourself. Yeah,
Hey,
but
hey.
that word.
Hey.
So sana ke guys bua gore ke motho eleng gore o surround you like it's on
Yeah, those kind of things.
yeah.
those kind of conversations around her.
Yeah.
Plus hela yena ke motho eleng gore she's just been involved in conversation hela from
Yeah.
bogologolo ene hela like,
Yeah, from ways.
ke motho wa conversation e tot.
Yeah, speaking of endometriosis, okay, like you get married to a woman who long ga na bana, ga kgone go tshola bana. Do you think that that adds value mo go ene kana go mo depreciate? Do you think that is a problem?
I don't.
You don't. So,
To
like-
be honest, I don't. I don't.
What about you, Chief Ghost? Because we know that men in general, like they don't want to, like most men wouldn't want to be happy.
No,
to find
true. Yeah,
themselves
I was
with-
gonna say it's very subjective. Aban.
Hey.
It's very subjective. There are men by long they cannot wait for that.
Yeah.
I don't know if I should say he was married to Gaona or like
yeah,
ke
yeah,
gona
yeah.
go mo montshitse mo relationship or what. But there are men who believe that. Nahela personally, I don't have a problem with that. There's just so many options out there selling what people can try
Yeah.
to close that gap. Why feel?
No, wait. I would like you to clarify
Analysis
something.
taranga
You don't have a
better.
problem with that because it's how just
No, I don't have a problem with that at all.
at all.
At all.
Oh, yeah.
Tot I believe like Kelebogile is involved in such predicament. You know what? I'm sold over.
Yeah, over and over.
Yeah, over and over.
Yeah, no. One thing with Hawan is that, dude, like now she has taken that thing, you know, like she's an endometriosis champion now. You know, yeah, like she's like she's educating women about that. Like she's apparently there are a number, like there are plenty of women by Batsela with
going
that.
through, yeah.
Condition.
Yeah, no, I she was friends with some Han when I scheme a close friend of mine called Tips.
Yeah.
Tips was in a relationship with some lady. They had I guess the organization I remember at a point in time they traveled to Nigeria for some the issues and it's a whole movement to and basari ba baya like you're saying.
Yeah.
But idea and my wife is the advocate.
Yo, yeah, shout out to Gaona, man. When we did this, she like a 2020, she had 203 followers on the socials. And hey, man, Steve, have you just liked her way too much, dog? You know. So yeah, but
You are right.
yeah, anyway,
Karapa like a lorry.
Loriela tsama ha kala lori ke future mon. Ba mosadi.
Bega magic.
yeah, man.
20 more minutes.
Yeah, we have Amantle Brown on the list as well. You know, yeah, she's one of the most followed women on BW social media.
Yeah.
what's your take on Amantle Brown? Because for me, I felt like, okay, fine. Amantle Brown, when she got in, she built like a proper brand for herself.
Yeah.
But lately, it's like the music is not
There, it's now about the image, not the music. Now.
exactly.
Yeah, true.
No,
yeah. Yeah, no, it's like that. It's
like, is
that.
is it normal for a musician, kind of for an artist, kind of?
Nah.
Like, yeah.
Nah, I feel like she's concentrating more on the image,
Yeah.
but not on the music.
Yeah.
Because for people to fall in love with you, it's because of what they've heard. Wabon. For Barata Amantle, music will now drop regularly, weekly, the album, things like that. That's the reason why we love Amantle Brown. But now she's reserved. Yeah, no the imaging, yeah, no the nepe, or branding ambassador basi.
Do you think that as an artist, like there comes a time whereby music is just
I feel like Wabadi not Rojamadi per se, but I feel like Horari at a point, the opportunities to the buyer, the endorsement or the deal or whatever. So Wabaleka cash and wait the bala or can I have to give my fans some
balancing
music.
becomes a problem.
That's the reason why I got the road manager, manager. How else I can manager deal 5 and it's okay to do and when we ring or concentrate go studio. Onele Batswana, onele your international people or your fans or whatever music. When I concentrate go music, go making. Baba ngweban badile le se swantse re badile le sona. So ya no kwano re bola ke goreng kwa no ikapesa kwena you see khantele le wena o hella ona le stress wa ba khantele ke gona gore mo staging o boa because there's too much to think about to do.
Yeah, but like, what's your take on Amantle Brown now? Like,
I love Amantle Brown so much with all my fucking heart. She knows wherever she is, I love you, dog, so much.
Who do you think like fucked up between her and Juju Boy?
Juju Boy.
Why are you saying that?
Because Juju Boy is a fucked up nigga.
Chief Ghost.
Hey, Brown, I'm not sure if I'm cool with Amantle Brown these days because she was one of them Hans Banebabu Amatlakala Nagwamis Botswana. This is a disgrace.
You lie.
I swear to God,
Yeah,
dog.
you lie.
Nigga.
No, you lie, dog.
Guess how Ramatana.
You lie. Amantle Brown didn't say that.
No, I'm not sure like when a comment or a share or what, but like
No. Okay, no. All right. No, I get it. I get what you mean. Okay. No, I get what you mean. Is the Amantle Brown wako like north of Botswana? Yo. Like it's not Amantle Brown dog like
No. And again, so the previous night go block 6.
like ya bona go ta Amantle Brown.
What do you think? How is out trend? Mo di commenting ki di bal ka gote tsala a tekile no gore I saw them ki ile go khatwa and then I saw them go block 6 and Amantle Brown ati so na le tsala gago so gore hantsi ke metse go khatwa go babareng so ba mpona conversation yana just a mini conversation ye kwena yeah. So the following day we trend. Mo di comment ke gote ke no ama ba ene no le tsala ke no bone ba bona re ba bua masep me ke no mo kima ole ba bang khamara go he wa reng khamara.
No, but now you see now I get what Amantle Brown the singer meant. Abu Agor, dude, I cannot be having someone having my stage name out there because whatever that she posts or what she says, people are going to think that it's me.
And
exactly.
I almost went haywire on that. I almost went crazy.
Lucky enough,
yeah, but the most unfortunate thing is that one can't but
I don't know, but it's up north. It's up
to
north.
be honest, guys, that one, it's her name. Like it's her best name. Amantle Brown. Like her first name is Amantle. Cinema like Brown.
Yeah.
But for Amantle, the artist, first name is Amantle, the same name is in Tole.
Yeah.
You get
Brown
nickname. Stage name. What a coincidence. You get it, dog. How do you do that, Awira? And like speaking of the coincidences, we can look at Mongalina lane over the blow.
Wabon.
You get it? Mongalina, she's trying by all means.
I get a trend hela this issue near Amantle. It's on alone yaga JR. JR wa rona mo round the JR lo ko South Africa. Wa gataleng. Ya no wa kwano una bloile pele.
Who's that?
O mona na go phakalani bitsa JR yana. Ona rata go loga le ketana. Ana na opela le
Na repa.
na repa. A ira music nya. Ona na itsebi blind
Na
yana.
sa sign wa ke progd. Ai ke go botsa. Let's have another. Let's have go basement.
Yeah.
So le na trenda e be go a go nna le JR a go blowa ka gataleng. So wena ba bua gore nka ka change lena just because motho go South Africa o bloile video ya JR. So yana ga
Where
tena
is
ke
he now?
change. No, to be found. But
Yeah,
I
man.
think he will and he stays in Palapa right now.
Yeah, man. Shout out to Amantle Brown. Like, she's one
Yeah.
of the most outstanding women in the country.
Yeah.
We also have Fleaser's favorite, man. My favorite as well. Chief Goose favorite. Sadi. Yeah.
Ah,
TV
yeah,
personality, influencer. Dude, like, what's your take on Sadi, though? No, wait, Chief Goose, like, what's your take on Sadi?
What's
Yeah,
my
like,
take on Sadi? Sadi is, well, she's close to me now. I know her
besides
from-
the brand, and I mean, in general, like, yeah, what's your take on Sadi? Yeah, like, you know her personally.
No, she's
you know her, like,
she's good
as a-
people to me.
Yeah.
I don't know if it was like three weeks back we spoke on Mosa Academy Montare. Well, during her Zintle Roto Trendali. Le meda bong
Oh,
sa.
yeah,
Eh,
yeah,
no, has
yeah,
it's
yeah.
hasali ha meda sona two videos about to her. She called me or like I remember your situation. What was like, yo, this chick, what is she saying?
What is she
Yeah,
saying?
I remember you. I was like, you know, I understand, dog. I understand, but personally, I think she's an amazing individual.
She's alright.
Hey, she's alright.
She's dope.
She's involved. The uplifter. But I think she's involved with Sky Girls. Yeah, I think I once saw her with as part of being Sky Girls. I think personally she's doing great for herself.
Alright. Flazer, like, what's your take on Sadi?
If you let our sons or Kaba, I'll go paying at my house and give me to get to most podcast. Give me care, like, give me, you know, sexy
Umwike.
lingerie. You know, now I feel like she's fine.
Yeah.
Because I'm an African man.
Yeah.
So I love my woman thick, no meaty taste, no
You know?
rocks. You know, so now I just love her the way she is, man.
Yeah,
I
when
feel
Natasha-
yeah, when I got. I don't
Oh,
know.
well, I said, well, you.
Yeah, man, yeah, for me, dude, like, yeah, I love Sadi, man, yeah, like Chief Goose said, dude, like, yeah, we know Sadi personally, dude, like, yeah, we
Yeah,
went to
no,
the
big
same
time.
school
13
and all
more.
that, you know, yeah, dude, like, Sadi's good people, you know, this is how it goes, man. We also have Chama Girl, man. You know, I think that, do you know that Chama Girl is the most followed woman on social media?
Locally.
Locally.
Women.
No, not social media, sorry, on Facebook alone. She's the most followed woman on Facebook.
Oh.
Facebook, yeah, like, no, see, like, without combining other
Ante
things.
bo April le bolung ora ba tsenga ka ba seding kana ka ba nne
April again, man.
April Troy Troy
Where the fuck is the April? Dude, like, we should have done some April Gates.
Troy April le
Troy April.
le bolung wa
LGBTQ.
No, Mare, I think that Freddie and Obatari Monsignor was saying. I can do like that's what he wants.
and then
And we're like, Freddie is
Troy-
our guy, so like I don't see him about saying.
No, Freddy is the queen.
Hey, like he's the queen. You get it? Yeah, man. Yeah, Chamagera is the most followed woman on Facebook. And
Yeah.
be down, you know. And like one thing that I love about Chamagirl is that the most amazing thing for me, Chamagirl, is the journey. Got like her life journey.
Yeah.
You know, seeing her from that time,
Galetwa ID, yeah,
you know, from there, do
up
like,
until now.
you know, do like transform as a brand. I mean, do like even if you look at her now and then you compare her to Medical Kwan, you can see growth, though.
Yeah, ora hlele madi go kwana no.
Hey, do like you? Hey, man, I like she's good do like she's a grown into a powerhouse.
Yeah, no,
you
big
know,
time.
from
Big time.
from then. You know, so and I understand why Bato Bamarata a whole lot. Happen like talent wise, she's there as well.
Plus, ela le boitshwaro. Le bone kana boa it affects a
Yeah,
whole lot.
but apparently like she's mean though.
Oh,
Do like in person. Hey, do like I've seen a couple of comments, but about like she's mean like in
I thought
person.
gonna go to Vita. Na le gala kongwe le gala ka gore na ke a mo itse we can talk a le hale, but
Yeah.
now I feel like she's just a good person. Na go tse ding kana batho ba ba re mean. Ha go ba bane ba khopisitse wena le wena o feel gore no hey motho ka re go tanta pisa.
Yeah.
Ke ba
Yeah.
ke tsa re le wena go na le batho ba ba reng o mean, you know.
Dude, dude, like that's like the weirdest thing ever, though.
You'd never see them, but up until we trend, ke gona taba I bile nang khakhala maloba ke mo kombing aba san tumedis but le nna gona maloba ke poster snap on Facebook aba motho ba am fit ka nne ke go bona mfetu ko mabaleng da ko broadcast ka Sunday ke go dumedisa and then o bo san tumedise be ke but a ke a bona brava ka hadi I could have said hi or something abantu ha re no ne ke tlhaloganya you know a lot of people never go dumedisa so ba ha sorry you and me no
Bloilwe.
no oh bloilwe
Blow, man. No, like for me it's actually the opposite because people are always surprised that when they greet me, dude, like I talk to them with love and all that, and then, like they would say, dude, we always thought that like you are mean. You get it? I'd say, no, guys, come on, you know. Yeah, but anyway, back to Chama Girl now. Do you think that Kabelo More lost on a good wife or? Answer the question. Do you think that he lost on a good wife? Do you think that he lost on a good wife? He was blessed that they broke up.
It's a hard one. I don't know.
Chief Ghost, do you think that Kabelo Moro lost on a good wife? It's a blessing to him that they broke up.
Yeah, like Flaze is saying, it's a difficult one, more so that we are never given the details of the breakup.
Thank you, yeah.
But I like Chief Ghost to answer this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Answer that question as Chief Ghost.
Yes, I am being the chief ghost. What are you saying?
I saw what I
And I like to paint as the person that I'm not. He forgets what when we get in public, people start asking, well, who the fuck is the chief ghost? I want to murder this guy.
But it's a hard one because, like I'm saying, we don't know anything.
Yeah,
about
no,
Vida
obviously,
Kalanja,
yeah, get it like Gideon's the person.
Unlike V, they can
behind
that.
closed doors.
Say right.
No, but no one is personal, guys.
But say right.
No, I want to say this personally because we were told.
By
Did
who?
Nepen di bona go ntshitswe di red eye.
Mabapi a robile.
Mabapi a robile.
Wa bona, so
I can never like. Okay.
Yeah,
Get it,
oh, wow.
well, we've never seen or heard anything.
All right, guys. Yeah. On the list, yeah, we also have, dude, like Kumo Khadira, Ms. GKs, you know, yeah, media personality or influencer, and she's still the most followed woman on BW social media combined.
Yeah.
Combined, the most followed. She's the most followed media personality. All media personalities out there, she's the most followed. She's the most followed female media personality, obviously. She's the most followed woman on BW social media. Like, she's the most followed female media personality. Ebe Chief Ghost go down side.
No, there's no goat down my side. Can I am flee?
No, Kumo Khadira Kalanja is the most followed one. He's the most followed.
No, Rakanya goat the other side, or is there?
No, but to be honest, like, there's no go down side.
Or I'm rounding.
No, anywhere,
across,
like
around
the world.
For instance, you can, can say, like you can say that Michael Schumacher, Lewis Hamilton get the F1 goat, Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi get the football goat, you know.
Michael
like
Phelps is the goat of swimming.
Swimming, LeBron
Someone-
James or
Hey, no, I understand.
hey,
now,
Someone Narile Serena Williams is the goat. I was like, no,
Do like
she's
one of
just
the-
good at tennis. Waban. She cannot beat the greatest player more tennis.
yeah. But don't you feel like Beyonce you good?
No, whatever she's doing can be done better by a man.
Like-
That's where our argument is coming from.
she's not a go, huh?
Gore yaanong ha re tsenya banna.
No, I get how to go to Sanso
What a
Rone
dog. You
In-
cannot
of
say-
all time in everything.
Listen, you cannot say, for instance, you cannot say Beyonce is the greatest performer of all times. You cannot say Serena Williams is the greatest
tennis
player
player.
of the of all times. You know, you cannot say Machepe is the greatest educationalist what of all times.
Why?
Because there's a man who does greater down there.
No, goatee ra go tsentse sengwe le sengwe le basadi.
Greatest of all
Go
time.
to Greatest
Greatest of all time. Is there a woman that you can call greatest of all time? Into female what?
Yeah.
She's the greatest of all times in this aspect.
Yeah, no, ke a go tlhaloganya no, yeah.
So like you agree?
Yeah, no, true.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Serena is good in tennis, but I can't bet Rafael Nadal. Wabon.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, man, yeah. Kuma Khodira is the most followed woman on
5 more minutes, yeah.
yeah, on Bira Blue social media, man. Shout out to her, you know, yeah. Media personality, a brand, radio personality, radio presenter, radio yara yara, stuff like that, dog. Like, what's your take on Kumo Khodira? Dude, like, I personally, like, I love Kumo Khodira.
Same
dog.
here.
Like, yeah.
Same here.
She's my girl, you know, yeah. Like, what's your take on? You
I
her,
love it.
basically.
Yeah, I just love her so much, dog. I love her. Because there's nothing to hate about her.
Yeah.
And she's chilled, reserved, happy, this scandal is funny. You never hear anything
One
bad.
thing that I love about Kumo is that she fits in everywhere. I remember last time Ganal Chief goes to go YSO, you know.
Yeah.
Kumo was there. And like we kept on saying, you know, like one thing with Kumo is that she fits in everywhere.
Yeah.
She can go to YSO and still fits in. She can go to Block 6, that place, and do like she would still fit in there. You know, yeah, they're like, could do like she fits in everywhere.
Yeah,
yeah,
fact, yeah.
You know, yeah, and then fast forward from 2020 to like, yeah, we have new, like impactful women who came through, like Bopale Samuel Lefe, Fraser's favorite. And, like, I think now, like, she's a force to be reckoned with now.
You can't mess with the goat.
Oh, she's a goat.
That's why she's the goat! That's why she's the goat, man!
Oh, like she's a goat.
Oh yeah.
Pale Samuel Lefe.
Lunch bar.
Do like,
So you're taking Palace over Mpuli?
Yeah.
Anna Mpule.
Yeah.
No, Len, dog.
Yeah.
I'm taking Palace
Yeah.
over Mpuli.
Do like for me it's Mpule though.
Yeah, I'm taking Palisa home.
Mpule was just another girl who was born in a privileged family.
Yeah.
Dude, she wasn't though.
She was.
That's actually the
nah.
opposite.
She was.
No.
She's racist. Those are on your way.
She was, and it's a conversation we do not want to have right now.
Yeah.
No, dude,
Because
like,
we don't have time.
That's
You
actually
don't
the
have time.
opposite, guys.
Nah, Palisa for the
Mpule
win.
was from humble beginning.
Nah.
Ke a go bolelela.
Bye-bye.
But I get gape Mpule ne le Miss Universe, eh? Can I do like people they don't know that Mpule was never Miss Botswana. Mpule was Miss Universe.
Yeah, no fact.
She was never Miss Botswana. So she was Miss Universe Botswana. And then Abaruina Miss Universe. You get it? You get. So yeah, she was never Miss Botswana. So Mobo Miss Botswana can like we comp can I do like this conversation? Miss Botswana.
Why is he wrong?
Mare like if we talk about Miss Botswana, se re bua ka bo Mpule, Hatman ka bo Palesa.
Yeah.
Le Sogo Chom. Bo Emma Warriors, Somaya,
Yeah.
Kaone
Kaone
Kario. I know, but that one like she was never Miss Botswana. It was
Yeah.
Face of
A
Africa.
Face of Africa.
You know,
Nokia
what do you
Face
think
of Africa,
yeah,
yeah.
still on that, dude. Like, what do you think of Uwa Marangi? Because like she's been trending lately. Uwa Marangi.
Who is that?
What am I phrase that you don't know people, dog? Chief Ghost. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you, dog?
I can't wait to name.
Uwa Marangi.
I
dude, like,
think she's she's okay. Yeah, she's doing whatever she's doing for herself, and I think it's working for the brand. If at all people are talking like how they're talking,
Yeah.
so it's something to be reckoned with.
Like, do you see like her TikToks lately? Because like people they have negative.
Yeah, no, I do
towards
see.
that. Yeah.
I do see him, and like I'm saying, if at all it's getting her the attention she needs, the brand she needs to be talking to.
Yeah.
Then just let her ride the wave.
Yeah, because now I get like like everyone is just talking about her now, you know, yeah. Like her style and all that. Yeah, but yeah, for me, dude, like the best Miss Botswana ever for me is Emma
Palesa.
Warriors. I know,
Yeah.
Emma Warriors, though.
Ha re
Emma
tsamaya le
Warriors. You know.
ebile
Yeah.
ke kgwa ke kgweletse ebile ke boele o mpetsa ga ke wela kwa
Ba go emeletsa.
a ba bampeletsa ba ita stakwahatsi
But you still love Lesego Chombo, though.
Bon, a simolla narra ke itsamela le Palesa come to daddy.
How do you feel about Lesego Chombo? Because dude,
I love her so much.
No, listen, after that time, like after that incident, man, they went to the archives and then there was a time where you have a crush on Lesego Chombo.
And they got me confused. They got shit confused because by that time, ne in top 16. Waban,
Yeah.
it was top 16 in a choose it. And I remember Joy Antare, mo top 16 orata ma. Ebe ke rona le mme o mongwe ke ene se mama. Waban, and ebe ke choose e. Ka ntoro re ke ena go wina. So na ebe ke sa itse gore win. I didn't know. Waban. So ya no gore re ba boela ko morago ba go hanyang kol. Mona gona le batho ba hanyang kol la ndi loud.
No! Mona!
Ya never bua gore no Flazer wa claim e yona itha gore ha mo itse but I didn't know, to be honest.
Do you know that now, dog? Go do like that. People buy like they have archived something like that.
Yeah, ba
Do like buy me sena kwa ting gore it's
gore
from
ke
there,
trend ka
man.
malatsing a ra sutellana hela malatsing a big after 2 days go trenda wena after 2 days go tsana shift ghosty hela ya
I know, Maruena boy, I think that for the year you are done. Because they would trend
Never
like buy
say never.
if Flazer man would trend like
ka le
Blow
seo
master.
ka o ska bora
Ska bora
tishara
tishara.
ai
dude, our boy. Yeah, no, dude. Yeah, but like, yeah, one thing that I would like to say to our women, but beat that, dude. We love you so much, you know.
and let's
One
get
thing-
tickies.
What's the? What's Chief Ghost? No, like before Chief Ghost, Flazer.
Yeah.
What's the one thing that I personally do like? I love women. Ne?
Yeah.
I was raised by a woman. Okay, so dude, like I love women, but I would like to ask you, like, what's that one thing that you don't like about women currently, like going on,
In general,
yeah, in general.
to take short things, go the shortcut
In life.
to life. Yeah. You know, live fast, die young. Ke gone hela go mo eleng gore go antena ka bone lately.
So guys,
You know, to make money fast, to live good, to give people out there a great image, but means you deep down, wa safara, you want people to see gore no when out sell a shapo, and then later on it catches on with you, and then even aha wa bona ke.
Like-
Then you start regretting, you know, competition in life, or no na ke shapo ke tshela shapo ke na di dompere yao, you know, ke a tshela ke na le dikoloi, you know, ke bonwa kwa go ditlabong di restaurant ke a ja ke tsama ka di iPhone, you know, shit like that, and then later on it catches on with you or ka nta o riana motho a ntse a dira yana. Just be you, man. Sa ithekiseng, just live, hustle, tshela shapo with whatever you have, survive, move on. You know, there's that one guy who no mosadi o ke ene mosadi ke ene nka nyalang teng gone ya, so ha so re hara le lebela re lebile, just that we know where to marry and where not to marry.
and dude, like there's this saying that always says, one man's wife is another man's.
Trash.
No, it's another
Tre-
man's.
Treasure.
No, what do you call?
Hey, Jaya ki.
Hey, no.
Yeah, kitse.
One man's wife is another man's booty call.
No, but true. Yeah, gone hela how nuts.
up, dog.
Gone hela nuts we se ka
It's
se ka
fucked up,
iputola.
man.
O to itela ele gore nna ha ke itseng gore ha is the wife ke ene mosadi. Hela ka khanya BTC.
Yeah.
You see?
You know,
Yeah, to make it short, hela ka khanya BTC. Gore no, nna ke itse gore motho ke ene mmago bana ke ene mosadi wa. Ha o tsana go officing kwa ba mo irile booty call.
And dude, like that happens a lot, dog. Go the workplaces.
Yeah, that's why o to bo tshega mo Facebook o bona go le gote motho o na le husband o na le monna go go tirong and go sa kiwe o itlele le gore kante go serious kganye wena feel no ke ditsala go tirong just colleagues, you know, they're just having fun. No, wa mo pipe
Wa mo kona.
kala nchikene alkene la nchaga.
But for me, dog, like I mentioned earlier, dude, I love women, eh?
Yeah.
But one thing that I don't like, or one thing that I despise about women is that, because like lately, like they're just losing their femininity.
Yeah.
You know, it's like they want to be like men. You get it? Because I felt like they just don't see like a value in being a woman. You get it? They just don't know, or men just love women.
Yeah.
You get it? Whatever says a Sadi dog, men will always gravitate towards that.
Yeah.
Wherever women are, men will always be there, dog.
Yeah.
You get it? Could do like I would always ask them, guys. Not that I'm a sexist or anything. Do you guys realize that you neglecting your side? For instance, netball. Well, not like women are just neglecting netball.
Yeah.
And do like that, I just into football now.
Yeah,
If only
Sunday
they
soccer.
knew that if they
But why are you
push those-
subjecting them to netball or something?
no Sekai, like just an example. You get it? If only they knew that if they went to netball games, dude, like Sunday le Sunday ra go na le ko.
Ready Sunday soccer
Because girls are there.
Yeah, no.
get it? Most guys are going to Sunday soccer because women are there.
yeah. That's why when I can't tell what trend that's when you say no, banyana ba di Sunday soccer go di arora ka gona le ngwanyana gore welcome.
Ga ke a bolo bua ka kganyo Sunday soccer is simolo.
Wa bona
Gore
wa
go
bona
tetse boaka.
wa bona.
No, but like one thing that I would like one credit that I would like to give to Chief Ghost now, dude. Like Sala bua ka kanya said, "Isimol la dog."
Wa itse le wena lo ka
Isimol.
Sunday la swere 400 pula. Ah, wa go robala sente.
I know, let's wrap it up, man. Like that, it's getting.
Yeah. And Fraser is a Sunday soccer club. Like he formed it himself,
Yeah. Tubarabel FC.
just so that he gets the girl.
Tubarabele FC.
Yeah, Tubarabel. Huh. You
Yeah,
fight
Chief
until
Ghost.
the
Before
last
you
end.
go,
Uh-huh.
what's the one thing that you love about women, and what's that one thing that you don't like about or you hate about women?
I'll start with one thing that I do not appreciate about most women.
Yeah.
I think if women could understand gore they are emotional decision makers,
Yeah.
women should stop making decisions based on emotions, because
Yeah, Balaration Island.
because at the end of the day, ke so selling gore ba se go tile and go ba ba mo position e leng gore ga ya ba siamela gone go tell you,
Yeah,
wa bona?
yeah.
Eh.
True.
What I love about them is
Dude, like that beautiful.
they are beautiful.
Beautiful
though.
creatures.
Hey, bashiri ba bantle, though.
And how about
I
hey?
was at Garden of Drip. Yo,
Hey,
that garden was dripping with women.
Dog.
Botswana women are beautiful, dog.
Do you think that they know that they're beautiful though?
They don't.
Hey, man.
They
Hey, dude,
don't.
like, hey, dog.
Ga ba realize the power reba is sharing. That's why
The power that they
ba jewa
have.
jewa
dog.
hela. So Saraga.
Anyway, guys, yeah, we're shooting this episode. You know how it goes already, man. Yeah, as long as you see us out here, just know that we at Psycad Palm Hospitality, Block 8.
One time.
Gaborone, Botswana, you know. Yeah, check them out. Remember, if you get to Psycad Palm Hospitality, you saw the advert on Overview Radio, you're going to get a discount.
750.
Yeah, per room inclusive of breakfast. Doing like there's a bar, there's a green lawn here, there's a pool, there's everything, man. Chief Ghost is always here. I get a spoke. You know, yeah, I do like he's always wandering around the place and all that. Fraser the motherfucking DJ.
I said, "What's a mile aside? Caro, on a tell you, we visit you, Fleeza Morum, you know, Ele package. Canalolo. Ooh la la.
Ooh la la. We said, "Oh my man."
And this is how we fucking close it down.
Chief Ghost, one last thing.
Please follow us on social media. That is at Overview Radio. Social media, so there, a bit TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. That is at Overview_radio. And remember, this segment Risimolo Yole Waka El Shavin. I was sitting at Metsameko when I go Overview Radio, Overview Sports. It's a new segment telling what I included into the pod, and please bear with us. It's something and it's going to work. I promise you. And that is your boy Chief Goose. Follow him on Instagram at Witness Amazing Things. Witness Amazing Things. With a single T. Yeah, I can sign out there.
Wait, guys, how come that we didn't say anything about Garden of Dream though?
What do you mean we didn't say anything about that?
I mean, dude, like we didn't say just Molanyana things. I mean, like the people that were there. I mean, Bututo Ranta were there.
No, amazing people were there, dog. I saw Tuto.
Yeah.
I saw your boy TK. I think he's your boy now because you've been talking about him.
Get the fuck out.
Who else was also there? I saw Benti Leno Pasiteda.
Dude, but like I didn't see Benti though. Futuristic.
No, I saw his boys.
Oh yeah.
His boys were there. Who else did I saw?
Yeah, but I noticed Komara that Benti.
Is worth a mention. Tato Rampedi was there with his boys. Zile Weezy.
Yeah.
Those are South African YouTubers and.
Yeah, FME DJs was there.
Shout out to FME DJ. Shout out to Luther. Shout out to Slow G.
Yeah.
Shout out to Slashy. Shout out to Josie D-Bond.
Yeah.
Pete the DJ. Them niggas are doing quite good for themselves. I remember when I was still energetic like them. I wish we could have like had a similar approach to
something like that.
To watch Diozedi Baya, but shout out to them boys, dog.
What about the girls that were there, dog?
Woo! Hey, my wife is gonna kill me, but
you're gonna get in trouble.
Hey,
nigga.
but like so fuck it.
Yeah.
So gotta get him
Yeah, one thing that I would also like to mention before we leave, guys. As we announced the other day, Vusi won his gala, guys. You know.
Yeah.
Vusi is back to school. Shout out to Vusi.
Agwaskaja Channel O.
Yeah, shout out to Vusi.
Yeah.
And most importantly, guys, I would like to emphasize this. Shout out to you, the overviewers, like for making it possible.
Yeah.
You know, if it wasn't for you guys, but because you guys watched
and shared,
you guys shared,
commented,
you guys what's the term? You guys suggested what should be done. We did it, and it's all because of you guys. I want you guys to realize the power that you have as overviewers.
Yeah.
You know, for now we just like the leaders of the ship, like the captains of the ship, like we mentioned it, but the passengers are you guys, you know. So yeah, shout out to you guys. I don't want to take this credit. I don't want Flazer or me or Chief Goes to take this credit, but you guys, the overviewers, to take this credit.
Yeah.
You guys changed Vusi's life, you know, and she's happy now. It's a dream come true. Going forward, let's see what can we do, you know, if ever. Yeah, you know, like if ever there's something possible, selling or like someone else, let us see what we can do right there. But thank you so much, overviewers, once again. 20K subscribers, 100K views. Actually, like it's just a whole lot going on.
Yeah.
Overviewers are there for us, man.
One time.
You know, and I always tell people that the only people that can tell us to stop this is the overviewers.
Yeah.
Besides that, don't come at me with Paul like a wow. Yeah, and this is how we sign out, baby. With a we are.